Sir, waiting for you. You could probably have the mic. So the brilliant minds behind Silence 2, the first question, how much of Silence 2 did you carry back home? Since both of you are, so deeply involved. You're the director, you're the producer.
No, so that's why we decided that although Kiran is actually one of India's best DOPs, yes, we said if we value our marriage, then we cannot be director DOP on the same set. So yeah, but Kiran is like, as a producer, as a creative producer, he's been like there right through. And, with all the experience that he has, so he's been like a wonderful producer. A producer who will actually tell you, you're not happy? You're not happy with the shot? Take it again. Shift is gone, 9 o'clock pack up, never mind, shoot. I don't think many producers would say that.
How cool. That almost sounds like brilliant work of fiction, but your reality.
Yeah, he's fabulous.
They say anyway for a successful marriage, silence is important.
Oh, yes.
We see that here.
He believes that. He has to.
Lovely. We've set the perfect tone. I'd request all of you to please step forward and probably pose for a picture. Which cameras? Okay. Straight there, center. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, they take the mic. Thank you. Thanks. Woo!
स्पेशल क्राइम यूनिट वापस आ गई है। इस बार हम दोगुना रोमांच देने का वादा करते हैं। साइलेंस 2 में एसीपी अविनाश वर्मा की भूमिका दोबारा निभाना मेरे लिए सम्मान की बात है। इससे मुझे ये एहसास होता है कि ज़रूरत पड़ने पर पुलिस तक पहुंचना और उनकी मदद लेना कितना महत्वपूर्ण है।
Fully in character. मुझे तो साथ खड़े होकर भी डर लग रहा है। But ladies and gentlemen, Manoj Bajpai, Rachi Desai, Sahil Vaid, Waqar Sheikh, a huge round of applause for them. अच्छा, आप लोग तो आ गए हैं, पर हम सब जिस चीज के लिए इकट्ठा हैं, the trailer launch, वो देख लें एक बार।
अभी क्या अभी?
So I would request you guys. Can we please cue the trailer? Rachi Desai, Waqar Sheikh, Sahil Vaid. अब क्या क्या नहीं हुआ। एक तो आपने ट्रेलर देखा, एकदम दीवार तोड़ के एंट्री मारी इन्होंने। अगर आपको लग रहा है कि सरप्राइजेस आज के लिए खत्म हो गए हैं, तो ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है। एसीपी अविनाश, वहां मामला कंट्रोल में है। Okay, now the other thing that I want to tell you about, जो इस टीम में दो नए एंट्रेंस हैं, जो ये थ्रिल कोशेंट और बढ़ा देंगे. I'm going to take this opportunity to welcome them. Can I please have on stage Parul Gulati and Dinkar Sharma. Welcome, welcome. Hi. And can we have the mics, please? तो एक फोटो आप हो जाए before all of you settle down. Super. Well, that's a squad we need to watch out for. So please take your seats. I'd also like to have Manish Kalra, Ashima Avasthi, Kiran Diohans, and Avan Diohans to please also join them on stage. Are we short of
अबान को यहाँ बुलाएं. Aban will come there. Dinkar, you come. Aban will come there. No? Aban will be on the. Aban.
I think we could have another picture perfect moment with the whole team now. We'll get the chair while you do a picture. Can I request everyone to please pose for a picture? Ma'am, sir. Thank you, everyone. I request you to take your seats. Everyone's nicely settled in. Do we have mics? How many mics do we have? Yeah, we of course have to share a few mics. My friends from media, I'm going to open it up to all of you, but before that, I get to ask one question. So I'm going to make the most of it and start with the new entrants. Parul, आपने लिखा कि अरे देखते ही देखते आपका debut हो रहा है with the one and only Manoj Bajpayee. How excited are you?
I'm really excited. I mean, I've been around for 12 years now. Everyone thinks कि हिंदी फिल्म तो करी ही होगी. But ये मेरी पहली फिल्म है and that too with the greatest cast ever. And it is a legacy that has been carried forward from Silence One with the greatest Avan ma'am. It was a pleasure working with her and then having a female DOP also. So I was like, wow, it was like meant to be. Sorry?
What do you mean, Katie? Please elaborate. Please elaborate, Katie.
But I think we must also cheer for Pooja, who's the DOP, who joined them for the picture. Amazing. Dinkar, how was your experience? आप भी new entrant हैं. Did you get bullied the first day on set?
No, I did not.
सोच के जवाब.
Silence. No, it was great fun and everyone was extremely supportive and I'm just very, very happy and grateful that I got this part and ma'am thought and the producers thought and everyone thought that I could, do this very, very important and interesting character and I'm very happy to be here.
Manoj ji, coming to you. Every time I interview you, मैं शुरुआती इससे करती हूँ कि आप कैसे कर लेते हैं, sir? How do you become everyone's favorite with every character? But you saw him, you observed him.
No, I just I'll take your permission just to say a huge thanks to Zee Studio, Sharik Patel, Asima, and the entire team who is present here. It's been a long journey with them, and also Z5, Manish Kalra, and their entire PR team here. They've always taken great care of me. And yes, we fight a lot. I fight a lot with their team in finding the right way of promoting the film, or finding the right groove. But I must tell you one thing: I don't do anything. I just try to be a sincere slave to my director. In this case, Aban Barusha Devhans, who's been my friend for many years. Also because Kiran Devhans, who's sitting here quietly. And
Silence.
believe me, no matter how well things go, Kiran will always have some problem there. But the great cinematographer of this, the great cinematographer of this country, who's given me a chance to work with another fantastic cinematographer, Pooja Gupte, second time. This time, second time I'm collaborating with her. Finding such women force on the set, including Prachi there, and coming from the last one, season 1, the edition 1, Sahil Vaid and Waqar Sheikh. It was great collaborating. I mean, for me, it's going back to the same set of the people that you loved working with. I don't do anything extra. We just try to focus on the job and the demand of the job, and the instruction which is coming from the director, in this case, Aban. But you know what was so fascinating for me? That in the last one, the girl Yagnik, what was her full name? Pooja. Garima Yagnik, she was superlative, and she was so young, she was so fascinating, she was so hardworking, and usually I don't get into the casting, but I was keeping my finger crossed that they will cast very well for Dinkar's role and Parul's role, and the confidence that these two have shown was quite mesmerizing. Parul is going to be quite a surprise in this film, and Dinkar, is going to be so fascinating for the audience. He's coming from theater, and Parul, the kind of confident lady that she is, I've only been watching her on Instagram, and she's been quite good. I mean, she has to tell me how to do that. But yes, it has been a fascinating journey. I have been only learning, keeping silence. That's it.
So आपने सब बोला, but you did not let out the secret,
Right?
which is amazing.
Were you actually expecting that? हम रोज पूछते थे सेट पे, we still don't know the secret. फिर आप कैसे कर लेते हैं?
हाँ जी, क्या बोल रहे?
Mike.
नहीं, यहीं पे है.
But now to Prachi and Waqar, आपने ये सेकंड इंस्टॉलमेंट 2 बार काम किया है मनोज के साथ, और आप एक दूसरे को हाई फाइव दे रहे थे जब मैंने बोला कि कैसे कर लेते हैं, तो कुछ समझ में आया?
किसे समझ में आया? हमें तो बहुत पहले समझ में आ गया था.
साइलेंस 2 तक तो आया नहीं है. आगे साइलेंस में आ जाए तो.
But your characters have received so much love. How difficult is it to get back into that सुर जिसे बोलते हैं ना, because आप उस कैरेक्टर में एक बार फिर कैसे खुद को ढालते हैं?
सबसे पहले तो मैं आपको बताऊं कि जब भी आप दूसरा सीजन या दूसरा एडिशन कर रहे होते हैं, you have to revisit the first one. Because eventually what happens that there is a gap, and you have moved on from there. You have grown as an actor, you have grown as a person. But there are few basic elements that you have done in the previous one. You should not leave that, because that is that is the crux of the character. Yes, the character, even the character is coming after such a long gap. So he is also going to be a person or the character with the growth. But there are basic things, basic qualities or or the disadvantages of the character that you should always keep, not to leave it behind. When I was doing it, I watched the first one firsthand, tried to remind myself what I have done and what I should do now, because there is a certain part of Avinash Verma which is not heavily touched upon by the writer and director. Not even in the first one, not even in the second one. But that's the seed of his character. And the character's journey is taken from there. My anger, my loneliness, the character's loneliness is coming from there. So that I kept on reminding myself. Whenever I was sitting on the set, I kept on reminding myself about the backstory or the personal story of this man, where he's coming from. I kept on reminding myself. And now he's on the job. So mostly when you see him, he's on the job. There is a very 2% that Aban has given to Avinash Verma about his other side that audience get to see. But that is the seed of his making.
Yeah.
Okay, so yes, that was the basic base of my character.
Always such a pleasure listening to you, Manoj ji. My question now to Prachi. आपका किरदार भी किस तरीके से, what was your process of getting into the skin of that character?
You know, honestly, to begin with, just the joy of coming back to this team was boundless. You know, I mean, the minute I got the call at least, I was like, absolutely, when? And, you know, there are some things about the role, like Manoj sir said, which of course you have to revisit. But personally, I felt that there are so many things that beautifully come to you when you're in motion. So your body language from the first film, you know, which is sort of muscle memory, it comes back to you on the second or the third or the fourth day. The camaraderie that we share, I think that bond is so great that the second time around, we were genuinely great friends on the set. And that just made our job easier. So every time we were within a scene, nobody had to worry about breaking the ice or getting to know another, none of that. I mean, I think we were kind of able to bring in that friendship on screen because all of us bonded really well off screen. And this time around, I think we knew Aban ma'am that well, where we kind of know where she's coming from. When we're executing scenes, we know her working style, all of that. I think that really added to it because genuinely this time, there was a lot more work. There are